stop playing with him.
DEVINCI in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm DEVINCI. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my fancy skincare routine. This is like with the mask and all that stuff. I don't do this on an everyday basis because my skin doesn't really require that much work. So depending on how my skin is how, I'll base my skincare routine. So first I'm gonna start off by damping my face. I'm gonna damp my face over here. I'm gonna go in with my daily facial exfoliant. I'll link everything in the description because I don't know the names. And then I'm going to rub it all over my face. Ooh, it was really good. And I'm gonna just add a little more in circular motions. And then I do bring it down my neck because I have spots down there, so that's like my troubled area. And I have the greatest technique on how to get the pores from the side of your nose. It's so easy. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see that video because it's so easy. And I just do it until I get tired, really, until I'm like over it. After I would rinse my face, depending on the nature of my skin, okay? Because it all depends on how my skin is, if I have pimples on my face, because sometimes I don't. So if I don't have pimples on my skin, I'm not gonna do extras, because then that causes pimples. And if you have like acne prone skin, or if you notice that you have acne and you don't know where it's coming from, perhaps you need to wash your makeup brushes because your makeup brushes can harvest bacteria, okay? Maybe you need to change your skincare routine or your products or your diet, are you drinking enough water? Because I make sure I drink a lot of water. So people always ask like, what is your skincare routine? What do you do? How do you get such clear skin? I drink a lot of water, like loads of water. I never even used to drink a lot of water, but in the past I had bad skin. If I could find some pictures of what my skin used to look like, I'm gonna insert them. But yeah, in the past I had bad skin, but I drink a lot of water. Water is key, okay? What I would tone my face with, I like to tone my face with natural toners, and I would use the witch hazel. So something like witch hazel, you can get at the drugstore. I just remembered when I was growing up, my mom was like, you guys just need to wash your face with Dove soap, get some witch hazel, and some like lubriderm lotion. Lubriderm is this. And I use this every day on my face, by the way. Lubriderm. Perfect for normal to dry skin, sensitive skin, it's perfect. Like, I love lubriderm. So I'm gonna wash my face, I'm gonna rinse this off. Then I'm gonna come back with my fancy mask and whatever else I do, so stay tuned. So my face feels amazing. Literally, it feels so soft, refreshed. But what I'm gonna do now, oh my God, yes. Healthy, hope I don't have no booze in my nose. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this vitamin E mask. This is what it looks like. But whatever the case is, I go in with my witch hazel. We're gonna tone our face and I'll just like tap it. Okay, so we're gonna take off the mask and the sheet and put it on our face. We gotta put it on our face for 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, it feels so nice and refreshing, by the way. I'm gonna just bring it down my neck and rub it in. Oh! But right now I'm about to go do some fancy bitch shit. And I'll bring y'all with me. So let's go. Come.
I'm so fancy. You already know I'm in the fast lane. From LA to Tokyo. I'm so fancy. Can't you taste this gold? Remember my name.
So now that the mask, the mask has been on my face for 15-20 minutes now. All we do is take it off. I'm so stupid. Oh, it smells so good. The leftover juices on your face. Oh my God. You just wipe it into your skin. Oh, I need to bring it down. Remember I told y'all to bring it down. What? Bougie bitch. Sorry for cursing, but when I'm feeling fancy. So I hope you guys like this skincare routine. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.